Okay, in this video, I want to show you how to find and use the video resource page that I have created in a Google Doc, and it's for Get More Math Skills. I don't have all the skills for the year. I just started this about a month ago, so I only have a couple skills in here, but let me show you what it looks like. So in our Schoology page, if we scroll to the class digital resources link right there, open that up. And I have put the GMM resource page right there at the very top, right there. So I'm going to click on that link, and that opens a Google Doc up. Now in this Google Doc, I have, if I can use this right without highlighting everything, notice, come on, I have on the left, I have lessons listed, and these are the lessons you can go to that refer to our notes, our folders in Schoology for the year. The very first one says 1.4e. The second column says GMM skill and video link. There's a video right in this link, skill code 315004, and it gives a brief description on the right. It's for solving compound inequalities with and statements, which a lot of people have a tough time with. Until you practice enough that you get really good at it, which some of you are already. But if you need help with that, here's how you seek that help. So you're working in GMM, and in GMM, you have this problem here, and down at the bottom of every type of problem, there is a skill code. Can you see that at the bottom here? Just make sure you're looking. So down at the bottom, there will always be a skill code label. Now notice that skill code is 315004. So you're having trouble with that problem. You go to the resource page and you look for that same skill number, that link number. And it's skill code 315004. So I tap on, once I get rid of the pen tool, I tap on it and I open up that video. Eventually it'll open up. And
all right, hi everybody. We're going to talk about solving compound inequalities. So an inequality that has two or more, we're going to distinct.
So that's how you use this resource page. Now again, I only have, what do we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 videos on this right now. But my goal, my plan is to build more this year as we go through the rest of the year. But of course, then for next year, I'll have it started. Won't help you guys out, but at least it'll help some of you out right now. So I have a limited amount of stuff on there at this time. All right, so hopefully that makes sense and it is worthwhile.